Alright guys, so here's how to fix blank white desktop shortcut icons in Windows. So let's get started. First of all you're gonna do is simply go to the search bar and search for run. Alright, just open it up, and then from here you need to search app data like that, and then go with the OK. Alright, now simply go with the three dots on the upper side and then go to the options. After that, this dialog box will appear. Now you need to select the view and make sure that your hidden file is showing, like you have selected this option, show hidden files, and then simply go with the apply button and tap on OK. Alright, then you need to go to the locals and scroll it down until you find the icon cache. You need to select this one, shift and delete from your keyboard and tap on yes. After that, you can simply go do the simple step like I am doing right now. You need to go to the search bar and search for task manager. Alright, then you need to find out the Windows Explorer. So we need to search for it, Windows Explorer, this one. Just tap on restart task, tap on it, and this probably will fix your issue. Alright, so this is how you can fix desktop icon missing blank white desktop shortcut icons. So thank you so much guys for watching and have a very good day.